If you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face, this video is for you. Because in this video I will show you and teach you everything you need to start making an income online with the help of a so-called business, YouTube automation. I will show you a good niche for such a channel and how to create videos for that niche fully automatically with the help of an AI tool. So if you plan to become a successful YouTube channel owner in the next few months, watch this video till the end because this video is worth more than $1,000 in YouTube automation courses. So leave a like on this video and follow on this channel for my effort and for the possibilities I offer you. Let's start with niche disclosure. For this, I want to show you an example of a channel that is in this niche. This channel only posts faceless videos and mainly talks about the top 5 things and about rich lifestyles. The name of this niche is Top 5 Things Niche. The interesting thing about this niche is that you can talk about anything you want, such as top 5 most expensive supercars, top 5 most expensive watches, or the top 5 most beautiful places in the world. Now let's move on to the second part of this video, creating videos. First, we will use ChatGPT to generate some video ideas for this niche, and to do this I will use this prompt. You can use this exact prompt. I'll leave it in the video description. Now I see that GPT Chat has given me 20 video ideas for our niche. Next, I'll show you how to turn this simple idea into a 5-minute video. I will select this idea. There are 2 methods for generating such a video, manual and automatic. In the manual one, you have to make a script to generate an AI voice, to generate images, and edit all that. Instead, the automatic method requires a script or just an idea. And as I said at the beginning, today I will show you how to create such videos automatically. So let me show you how we're going to do that. For this, the AI tool called Invideo AI will help us. I will leave the link from this site in the description of this video. First, you need to log into this site. It's free. After this, you will appear on this page where we will make the video. The first step is to click on YouTube Explainer, and this border will appear to US. First, we choose the duration of the video. I will select 3 minutes. After this, we have to put a prompt to say what the idea of the video is. And that's why I created this script. I will also leave it in the description of the video. You just need to change the idea you chose from the GPT chat. Next, we have to put the idea we selected from the chat GPT. Next, we need to set the type of background music. I will put it here, luxury and motivation. Then we will select the language. This AI allows us to choose from a lot of languages. I will continue with English. By the language, this is the box that can make your video more qualitative and humane. For this one, we will type urban humor. After this, we will select the type of voice. I will continue with the male voice. Here we observe that we can also select any accent. I will choose a clear American voice. Next, we can add subtitles to the video, and I will choose this subtitle option. You can also add a watermark to the video. Here you can put the name of your future YouTube channel. Then, I will use this option, which is to use stock as needed. And the last step we need to do is to select the music. Here I will choose this option, which is use the best audio available. Done. All we have to do is click on continue and then on generate a video. After doing this, in a few seconds, this border will appear. Here, if you want, you can change something, or you can leave it as it is. Then you will click on continue, and you have to wait between 3 and 5 minutes for the video to be ready. Video is generated. Now let's see what it did to me.
Hey there, jet setters! Ever dreamt about flying in the lap of luxury? Well, today, I'm taking you on a tour of the top 5 most luxurious private jets in the world. Buckle up, because you won't believe the opulence packed into these flying palaces. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Bombardier Global 7500. This bad boy isn't just an aircraft, it's a flying mansion. With a range of over 7,700 nautical miles, you can practically fly from New York to Hong Kong without breaking a sweat. Picture this, a master suite with a full-size bed, a stand-up shower, and even a luxurious lounge area. And the piece de resistance?
Amazing. From one idea, this AI tool made me a long video that has everything needed to be recommended. What do you think? Write in the comment. Wait a little longer and I'll tell you how much this AI costs. But I also want to tell you that this AI gives us the possibility that after creating the video we can edit it. And this is very simple. If you don't like something, you can tell them in this box what you don't like and how to change that thing. It's extremely simple. For example, I will give it this condition. Make all the subtitles capitalized. And you can observe that in a few seconds. He fulfilled the condition. This way you can change the images, the text, the music, the lyrics, and the language. After the video sounds good and looks the same, you can easily download it. Just click download. Now what is the price? Invideo AI offer us 3 price plans. Their plus plan is $25 per month. It offers 50 minutes, which is enough for at least 15 videos. If you want to create more channels, the maximum plan is great, because it gives you 200 minutes, which means it is enough to create about 60 videos. I advise you to try it for a month. You invest $25 and 1 hour a day. Instead, in a month or two, you will have an income of about $1,000 per month just from monetization from YouTube, not to mention various advertisements and much more. Listen me, it's a very small investment that can bring very big results. But first of all, consistency is needed here. Without this in this business method, you will not advance. Let's take the channel that I showed you at the beginning as an example. This channel has almost 5 million followers. But do you know how many videos he made for this? Approximately 2,700. Instead, it has an amazing result. Therefore, consistency and discipline are needed here. It was not received from the first 5 videos posted. It will be received from the next 15. I repeat, all the links are in the description of this video and also on my Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like because new videos with new ways to make an online income appear here every week. I was with you, Shadow Tropy, and see you next Sunday.